If you're putting together holiday gift baskets, this is the one thing everybody loves. I make 2 different kinds, and I'll show you helpful tips. Either way, start with 6 cups of quality popcorn. Bagged is often better than home popped because there's no kernels and there's low moisture. Then 10 ounces of premium white melting wafers. For chips that don't have cocoa butter, 1/2 teaspoon of coconut oil will replace that fat so it flows and coats smoothly. For this first version, I use pretzel sticks broken into thirds, and I stir these in with the popcorn and white chocolate. I wait until after I spread the popcorn and it's no longer hot but not yet set before I sprinkle the mini M&Ms, and then I press them in well. Now here's an important tip. Do not refrigerate. It makes the popcorn moist. If your kitchen is above 75 degrees, then you can blast chill, but no longer than 5 minutes. This is the white chocolate popcorn, but make it with white chocolate, macadamia nuts, and sprinkles. You want 4 ounces in weight, which is 1 cup coarsely chopped. Just like before, you add 10 ounces of melted white chocolate to 6 cups of popcorn. Now you're going to add your 1 cup of chopped macadamia nuts. And we're going to spread that out on the baking sheet. You want to get the popcorn all in one layer. And now I'm going to sprinkle with some Christmas sprinkles. And some red sugar. And some green sugar. Let it set at room temperature and then break apart. Whichever kind you make, people love this. You can package in a piping bag with a bow and embellishment, or you can print out my popcorn box labels, including the ingredients. My website link is below, as well as the Amazon link for the popcorn boxes. Be sure to see all of my gift basket ideas with all items from the dollar store or grocery store. And I've taken all of the classic holiday treats and elevated them, so you'll want to see these other videos. Like better cracked toffee, elevated Rolo candy, candied pecans, chocolate chips, peppermint Oreos, ranch snack mix with way more flavor, and peppermint spoons. Don't forget to like and subscribe.